This year, air pollution went global. What was an urban affliction has now gone systemic. July 28th, 2006, Los Angeles, California. Researchers make a surprising discovery. On certain days, 25% of Los Angeles' notorious smog is imported. Dust, soot, and pollutants from Asia are coming across the Pacific in huge brown clouds. They can travel over 6,000 miles in just 3 days. V. Ramanathan and his team have chased these clouds in a research aircraft, sampling and tracking as they go.
We were flying off of San Francisco and we detected several thousand particles per cubic centimeter, and we tracked it down all the way to China. The dust and soot coming from the factories.
China's booming economy means new coal-fired power stations are coming online at a rate of about one every week. In 2006, 1,000 new cars crowded onto the roads of Beijing every day. The resulting smog is no longer just a Chinese problem. The movements of the brown clouds are as fickle as the wind and can touch anyone, anywhere.
Early this year, I was in the middle of the Indian Ocean, but several thousand kilometers away from any pollution source. We saw 3-kilometer thick brown clouds filling the ocean.
No nation escapes. North America's pollution makes it to Europe in just a few days.
What this tells us is that we, each of us on the planet, are polluting the other person's backyard, and we are all connected.
We are also polluting our own backyards. For example, in Mumbai, India, just breathing is the equivalent of smoking 2.5 packs of cigarettes a day. In an odd twist, research has revealed that cleaning up the brown clouds could accelerate climate change.
It was settled this year, 2006, that as much as 50% of the greenhouse forcing has been masked by these brown clouds. Why? Because they intercept sunlight, which would have otherwise gone to the surface of the ocean and heated the ocean.
Without all that junk in the air, people's health should improve, but it's likely global warming will speed up. Another problem in the atmosphere reveals that large-scale change is possible. October 20th, 2006, Antarctica. The hole in the ozone layer grows 16% bigger than expected. It's now about the same size as the US and Russia combined. Scientists discovered this hole around 20 years ago. It's worrying because ozone is like sunscreen for the planet, shielding us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. Fortunately, this story hides some good news. In 2006, levels of chemicals that deplete ozone stopped increasing. So sometime in the next 10 years, the ozone hole should start to shrink. This is thanks to a worldwide initiative called the Montreal Protocol. In 1987, governments agreed to phase out the production of the gases that destroy the ozone layer.
We have seen how we have stopped this problem before it became a major catastrophe. I don't see any reason why anything cannot be done with the global warming issue.
2006 shows that people will take steps to heal the planet, especially if there's money to be made doing it.